I think it's funny that that people just sort of assume that equipment or products end up on the shelf.
Everything's got to be made.
There are things out there that you buy every day, and someone has had to have the idea, design, create, manufacture, mass produce and distribute that.
Walking through that factory, you don't really understand the enormous amount of work that's gone into making that product until I actually worked in manufacturing myself.
Everybody has an opinion and what they like and what they don't like, and that's really exciting when you work inside the industries.
Constantly requires you to use your creativity because it's such a fast-paced environment.
Most exciting of all is seeing our products in the supermarket. I mean, walking down an aisle, I think that's probably one of the proudest moments as a product developer. And you know that it's going to a consumer and they're going to love it, really.
So you can say, well, I'm involved in that product, or I made that flavour, or I have something to do with that company.